Okay, this is a review for the, let's see, it's called the Havit Magic Eagle gaming keyboard and mouse. It has a very, as you can tell by the shape, it has a very nice ergonomic shape in case your hands look all jacked up and you have carpal tunnel or something. And let's see, I believe there are three modes of light. There's like flashing, on off, there's medium, and there's high. It actually looks like that bird, Toucan Sam from the cereal commercial. Let's see. This sucker gets lit up pretty well. It's even more lit up than an Indian uncle at a wedding, so you'll like it. What else? It's made by, I guess it's made by a company called Havit. I don't know why, because I guess you gotta have it. So for all you loners at home living in the basement playing your games, this is the keyboard and mouse for you. So, and here it is, so you can see it working. Let's see, type something in. There you go.